and it's been a volatile week and a truncated week at that. But let's find out what you could be expecting, at least in the near term, given that we have the election overhang as well to work with. So, Gaurang, given that election results are just about 2 weeks away, what investing ideas can our viewers be looking at?
Well, firstly, keeping that election theme in mind, I think cap goods engineering space is definitely going to buzz. We expect over a period of time, not in a very short to medium term. So we expect the capex investment plan that have been kept on hold, or rather in a cold storage by corporate India, to pick up. And with that point of view, we believe in the cap goods engineering space, the most suited company is L&T. We have recently upgraded our targets to 1550, and we believe the numbers are definitely going to be much better than what we have seen in the past. And this kind of consolidation and correction that we have seen, we feel that this is the ideal time for someone to go and invest in L&T, and these targets are from 1 year point of time horizon, so please bear that in mind. The next stock we are recommending in the private sector bank space is ICICI Bank. Whether the stock post the numbers corrected from I think 1320 odd levels to 1250 odd levels. That correction we identify as a buying opportunity, and the nervousness, the negativities that we saw in the numbers this quarter, Q4 last, that was, we believe it's just one-off, and the performance is definitely going to improve over the next couple of quarters. And not to forget, if rain doesn't spray the spoils food, if food inflation doesn't spike up, then one can expect rate cuts going forward from here on, which would definitely translate into a lot of positivities for the entire banking space, interest sensitive, and the equity market. And there's where we have ICICI Bank with a target of about 1450. This again is a 1 year target.
Okay, so that's the name from the cap goods space. L&T seems like a favorite from all our experts, as well as an ICICI Bank. Kunal, let's take it to you. And based on the technical readings, what are the two stocks that you've picked out for our viewers?
Well, Avan, given that we are entering into that election period when there will be a lot of volatility, I think it is prudent to actually get into stocks which are kind of immune to that kind of shock waves that we're going to see. So a couple of stocks that I've chosen. One is Timken India. This is a less known kind of stock which doesn't really figure on too many traders' radar. But I think the stock could go to 230. It's got a very strong chart. It's broken out afresh on its daily and weekly charts. And I think 230 is a very gettable target here. So this is a stock that one could bet on, put a stop loss at 200 and buy into this one. The other stock I like is UPL, United Phosphorus. I think the stock has definitely broken out. It's done so well in the last few days, and I think it's likely to do better in the days to come. UPL one could buy with a target of 310, put a stop loss at 269 and buy into United Phosphorus.
Okay, two very interesting names. Of course, Timken was at one time a delisting candidate as well, and UPL has had a fabulous run over the last 1 month or so. But with that, then, we come to an end of BNS and Weekend. Thanks very much, Gaurang, as well as Kunal, for taking out the time and joining in with your top trading ideas.